Yes, students, last week we did question 1 to 11 of 2.2. Now we are going to start with question number 12. And the question is, from a rope 11-meter long. There was a rope that was 11-meter long. We cut two pieces. One was 13 by 5 meter and the second piece was 33 over 10 meter. But still, some length of rope is left. You have to find the length of that remaining rope. You can assume that there was a rope that was 11-meter long. It was the full rope and we cut two pieces from it. One piece was 13 over 5 meter and the second piece was 33 over 10 meter. Now this remaining rope, the rope that is left, you have to find its length. How we can find? It is very easy. This is the full and you have to find this one. How we can find this one? We will subtract or we will cut this part from the full, then we can come to this. So write total length of rope is 11 meter. Length of pieces cut, we cut two pieces, 13 by 5 meter and 33 over 10 meter. We have to find the remaining rope. So we can find full minus the cut pieces. We have to subtract the pieces that are cut. You can subtract both the pieces or you can write minus outside and you can add them, then you can cut also. I explain. You can write it like also 11 minus first piece minus second piece, or you can either say firstly we will add both the pieces, then we will subtract. Both methods are correct. You can choose anyone. Now come here. Firstly we will add these pieces that are cut, but for addition of fractions denominator should be same, denominator here is not same. So firstly we will take LCM of 5 and 10. Sorry, 5 on the 5, 5 2 is the 10. So the LCM is 5 multiplied by 2, that is equals to 10. Now our duty is to make 10 denominator in both fractions. Here the denominator is already 10, so no need to do anything with this fraction. But here denominator is 5, we have to make it 10. How we can make 10 from 5? Read the table of 5. 5 1 is the 5, 5 2 is the 10. It means we have to multiply this with the 2. I am writing here. How you can make 10 from here? 5 should be multiplied by 2. So in the numerator also multiply by 2. What number is written in the denominator? Same number should be written in the numerator. So 5 2 is the 10, 13 2 is the 26. So it can be changed into 26 over 10 plus 33 over 10. Now when denominators are same, write the denominator once and add up to the numerators. So it is 59 over 10. Here you will say no denominator is there. When any denominator is not there, it means its denominator is a 1. Again same process, denominator is 1, denominator is 10. You cannot subtract these two fractions. For subtracting or adding fractions, denominator should be same. We will take LCM and the LCM will be 10. Now our duty is to make 10 under both fractions, but it is already 10. No need to do anything with this fraction, but here it is 1. How we can change 1 into 10? We should multiply 1 with the 10. So this side I am multiplying it. Same number in the denominator, same number in the numerator. 10 ones the 10, 11 tens the 110. So 110 minus 59 and the denominator is 10. When the denominators are same, it is 110 minus 59, that is 51 over 10 meters. Unit you must return. Yes, Rajay, now you can convert it into mixed fraction. And mixed fraction, how we will convert? 51 should be divided by 10. 10 5 is the 51. Now how to write mixed fraction? Firstly quotient, then remainder, then divisor. Quotient is 5, remainder is 1, divisor is 10, and you can write it a meter. Now come to next question. A drum full of rice. When the drum is full of rice, then the weight is 241/6 kg. Drum full of rice weighs 241/6 kg. And when the drum is empty, weight 55/4 kg. Empty drum. And the question is, find weight of rice in the drum. I am giving you an example. Suppose we have a small drum at our homes with sugar. And when sugar is inside the drum, it weighs 5 kg. Suppose when the sugar is inside the drum or in the drum, it is 5 kg. When we empty the drum, it is 2 kg. Then how much sugar is in the drum? Suppose 5 kg full drum, 2 kg empty drum. Then it means weight of the sugar is 5 minus 2, that is 3 kg. So similarly here we will find weight of rice, that is full drum weight minus empty drum weight. Again we cannot subtract these two. Why we cannot subtract? Because denominator is not same. We have to make them same by taking LCM. So I am taking LCM of 6 and 4. How to take the LCM? We will choose the table. It is better to choose the prime tables. Prime numbers are that 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 up to so on. So firstly we will go to 2. 2, 3 the 6. 4 also come in the table of 2. So 2 to the 4. Now 3 comes in the table of 3. But 2 not come in the table of 3. 2 will be written 2. Here it is 1. We will not see to the 1. Then 2. 2 comes in the table of 2. When 1 is there, then it is over. Now take the LCM. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. That is 12. Now it means we have to make 12 here also and here also. How we can make 12 from 6? 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12. It means first fraction should be multiplied by 2. 6 2 the 12. So it means numerator also multiply by 2, denominator also multiply by 2. And second was 55/4. We have to make the denominator 12. 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8, 4 3 is the 12. So it should be multiplied by 3 in numerator also, denominator also. Downside 4 3 is a 12 and numerator 55 multiplied by 3, that is 165. Now our duty was to subtract these two. Now subtract 482/12 minus 165/12. Denominators are same. Write the denominator only once. Numerator will be subtracted. Now subtract it. And you will write it's kg. Mixed fraction you can convert yourself. Next, question number 14. Listen carefully. Divide. Which things to be divided? Firstly, sum of this and this. Firstly, find the sum. Sum means plus this and this. Divide sum of this and this. Firstly, we will find the sum. Then their difference. Then we will find their difference. Firstly, we will find the sum. Sum of minus 30. Sum of 65/12 and 8/3. साम्य ने, you have to add it. Its first fraction denominator is 12, second fraction denominator is 3. We cannot add because condition is denominator should be same. So we will make their denominator same by taking LCM of the denominators only. Table of 2, again table of 2, and the LCM is 12. It is already 12, no need to do with it. How we can make 12 from 3? See here. 3 ones the 3, 3 to the 6, 3 3 the 9, 3 4's the. If downside you are multiplying by 4, upper side also you will multiply by 4. Now 8 4's the 32, 3 4's the 12. So what comes? 65 over 12 plus 32 over 12. 12 you will write once, numerator should be added. It becomes, now you have to divide. Firstly you find its sum, then you have find its difference. Same things to be find, but now we will not add them, we have to find their difference. Difference means you have to minus. Same thing we cannot minus, we have to take the LCM. LCM will same, that is 12. Same procedure will be there. 3 should be multiplied by 4, it will become 32 over 12. Denominators should be written once. Minus, it means 33 over 12. Now the question is we have to divide sum with their difference. Now the sum should be divided by their difference, and the sum is 97 over 12. Divide by their difference, and the difference is 33 over 12. Fraction cannot be divided. When there is divide in the fraction, we change divide into multiply and reciprocal of this fraction. 12 and 12 cut, and the answer is 97 over 33.